Hi everyone. Today I have an amazing, one of the best top three bloggers of UAE, Forum Datani, and I'm going to talk about homemaker achiever. So as you all know that I am a full-time mother, I am a homemaker, and I also call myself an achiever. So I believe that अगर हम अपनी लाइफ में एक विल एक where there's a will there's a way. So हम सोच लें कि हमें कुछ करना है. So we being powerful feminine energy can pull anything off. So homemaker can be an achiever. So this conversation is all about tips and tricks how to do that. We are going to share about our journey, and I am a graphologist and Forum is a blogger. So let's go ahead with this. So Forum, my question to you is that what inspired you to move from being a homemaker to an achiever?
So it all started in the year 2021 when I took a New Year resolution. Okay, I want to go back to bed as happy as Forum, something to have an identity for myself. I'm a good homemaker, taking care of my responsibilities well. The COVID, it was like, just COVID was just coming down and, how things were. So probably I don't need to get deep into it. तो मेरे को लगा कि मुझे अपने लिए कुछ करना है. And then I started figuring out things, how to go about it. I like to share positivity and smiles. So I thought, why not blogging? And then I started researching about it, and by March I was good to go. I asked my parents, tell me nice day to start off. So Ganesh ji ka naam liya aur shuru kar diya.
So that's amazing, Forum. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई बार वी स्ट्रगल अ लॉट टू फाइंड आवर ओन पैशन और हमें नहीं समझ में आता कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. लाइक फॉर माई if I give my example, I keep learning new things, and randomly out of nowhere मैंने handwriting analysis सीखा, and then I thought why not start a career in this, and it has opened so many doors for me. As you know that I have written this big book also. It's a 21 days graphotherapy program, a self-help workbook. I have done aura reading and aura healing, so I created these products. Which is this aura healing spray, and this is an aura detox bath which helps us to clean our aura. So मैंने ये figure out, मैंने just courses किए, and then I realized that why not try it as a career, and it really worked for me. What is your take on this? How a homemaker can actually find their passion? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they can easily पहले तो they can do the brainstorming कि वो किस में अच्छे हैं. Like I believe that I was good at counseling. I was an optimistic person, so I felt that a holistic field will do good to me. So what is your take on this? What are your tips? मुझे लगता है कि they should do brainstorming and figure out करें कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें they're good at, and then start something without investing a lot. What's your take?
How can homemaker find their passion is a question I think they should ask themselves. जब आप खुद इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हो तो यू ऑलवेज गेट गुड आंसर्स रेदर देन समबडी टेलिंग यू. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि मैंने अपने आप को पूछा कि व्हाट कैन आई डू एज अ फोरम टू बी आइडेंटिफाइड, टू बी नोन फॉर. और आई एम नॉट गुड एट बेकिंग, आई एम नॉट गुड एट क्रिएटिव आर्ट्स, आई एम नॉट गुड एट सूइंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो मैंने बोला कि बोलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, उसको पॉजिटिव वे में लेते हैं और पॉजिटिविटी स्प्रेड करते हैं. So I think you just need to ask yourself and you'll get the answers, and then just work accordingly, plan and execute it, and things will flow for good.
This is getting totally interesting. So it is very, very important that we take small steps and not drastic major steps. And these small steps can lead to big changes. Tip 1, find out what you're good at. Tip 2, start taking छोटे steps towards it. And then eventually the doors will open. It was a lovely chat with you, Forum, and I think a lot of women will get inspired by this. I would love to share that we also have a platform named Business Mates, जो women networking oriented platform है. It's Delhi based, but we are like going pan India. And we have all the females जो they small business करती हैं, or maybe they are starting something, it's a new startup, or maybe they are just figuring out कि मुझे करना क्या है. So we also help, we are open for the females who are doing something and they want to grow big, and I can help you with that as well. Any final advice over to you? if you could give just one powerful tip to a homemaker who wants to achieve something, what it would be? From my side, I always believe that where there is a will, there is a way. सबसे पहले हमको excuses छोड़ने हैं, and then half the battle is won when you make up your mind that yes, we need to do something, we want to do something. Everything else will fall at place.
See, building confidence is something that doesn't happen like overnight, as they say, the Rome was not built in a day, correct? तो आपको अपने ऊपर self confidence build up करना ही पड़ेगा. I am good at this. Say positive things to yourself every day. It will definitely boost you up. It will give you that emotional happiness. Okay, yes, I'm doing something great, So, it's a thing which you have to keep learning. You can't just say कि आज मेरे पास confidence भर के है. It just, you need to work on it and build it up for yourself. And once you have that confidence, then nobody can stop you. Believe me. Power.
So we tried a lot of ways कि कैसे हम इस podcast को full करें, but then we decided why not let's do it in a total different way. So we have pulled this off. Thank you so much, everyone. Do watch it, and maybe we'll be glad, we'll be super excited अगर हम किसी को inspire कर पाए तो. Do share this. I know this might look little off, but it is filled with a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of motivation. Thank you so much. Take care. Do share, like and comment.